In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bass boost in CapCut PC in a simple step-by-step way. If you want your audio to sound deeper, fuller, and more powerful, this is a quick edit that can make a big difference in your videos. Whether you're working on music clips, gaming edits, voiceovers, or short-form content, boosting the bass can instantly make your sound feel more professional. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once it loads, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you already have a video ready to edit. If you're starting fresh, just click the new project option and get yourself into the editing workspace. Next, import the video or audio file that you want to work on. You can usually do this by clicking the import option and selecting your file from your computer. After that, drag the clip down into the timeline so CapCut can start working with it. If you're editing a video, this will be the clip on your timeline. If you only want to change the sound, you can focus on the audio file itself. Now click on the audio track in the timeline. If your audio is attached to a video clip, you can click the video clip instead, because CapCut will let you adjust the original audio from there. Once the clip is selected, look over to the right side of the screen. This is where CapCut keeps the editing controls for your selected media. On the right panel, open the audio section. Depending on which version of CapCut you're using, you may see something like audio effects or voice filters. Don't worry if the name looks a little different because CapCut changes the layout from time to time, but the feature is still there. What you're looking for is the audio effect area where you can enhance the sound. Inside that panel, use the search bar if it's available and type bass boost. In some versions, you may also see an option called super bass. These are the effects that give your audio a stronger low-end sound and make it feel richer. Once you find the one you want, click it to apply the effect to your clip. After applying it, play back your video and listen carefully. This is the most important part because bass boost can sound great, but if it's too strong, it can make the audio muddy or overpower the voice. If that happens, try a different preset or reduce the effect if your version of CapCut gives you that control. The goal is to make the audio sound fuller, not distorted. If you're editing music, bass boost can help the track hit harder. If you're editing a voiceover, it can add warmth and presence. And if you're working on a cinematic edit or a social media clip, it can make the whole video feel more polished and impactful. Just remember to test it with headphones or good speakers so you can hear the difference properly. Once you're happy with the sound, you can continue editing your video as usual and export it when you're ready. That's all it takes to add bass boost in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.